Camp Griddlemore, for the first time in the history of this show, we are going to make a burger that is not a smash burger. On today's episode, we are going to make the Havarti Bacon Barbecue Pub Burger. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. I call any burger that's not a smash burger a pub burger just because I like to call them pub burgers. So it's a thicker burger today. So let's get started and make our special barbecue sauce. This sauce combines Sweet Baby Ray's and Mike's Hot Honey. I go about 1-to-1 on that ratio. I love this. We've done this before, you know. So I bought the pre-shaped patties, and I'm a little embarrassed, Camp Griddlemore, but I was in a hurry, and it's the first time I've done it, and I might never do it again. Let me know in the comments. Is it okay to buy the pre-shaped patties, or is it kind of like a little bit cheesy? Now let's fire up our Blackstone to medium heat and get our bacon on the griddle. We're only making 3 burgers today for 3 guys that are hanging out here. We're only gonna use 1 slice of bacon per burger, but I'm gonna put some extra bacon on the griddle. We are back to using brioche buns for our burgers because they always taste so good. We are gonna give these a pre-toast right in some of that decadent bacon grease. Now that our brioche buns are looking toasted to perfection, we can pull those off and we can get our bacon off and drain those as well. We're gonna turn the griddle up a little bit from medium heat to medium high heat. We're gonna put down 3 of these quarter-pound burgers, Sean, or are they a little bit thicker than quarter-pounders?
Not exactly a half-pound, but it's a little more than a quarter.
Somewhere in between. And we're gonna go about 4 minutes per side with these thicker burgers, and that should be just about perfect. Now that we've flipped our burgers, they are almost done, so let's get that Havarti cheese down. I'm going with 1 slice on each of the burgers. Gonna let that cruise for about a minute so it melts, and then the burgers will be cooked to perfection. Now that they are done, let's get them off the griddle and onto the brioche buns. We did cut our bacon slices in half, so it's 1 slice per burger. Then we're gonna put down 2 pickles, and then we are gonna drizzle that delicious and wonderful sauce all over these burgers before we top them and eat and enjoy them. The Havarti Bacon Barbecue Pub Burger. Sean, if Havarti is not the most underrated of the cheeses, then what is?
I got no answer for that.
He's got no answer. Havarti is so good on a burger. Let's dig in and take a bite of this beauty. The Havarti is so mellow and so mild, and it goes so well with the saltiness of the bacon and the pickles and the tanginess of that combination of the Sweet Baby Ray's and the Mike's Hot Honey. All comes together so perfectly. You don't have to overcomplicate your burgers. My friend Clarky in England says that all the time, and he is correct because this is close to perfect. Check out his show on Blackstone Products UK. It's called The Burger List, and it's awesome. I was listening to a podcast recently and they were actually debating whether smash burgers were a fad, and I totally do not think smash burgers are a fad. They're the original American burger, but it is nice to mix it up even if you're a smash burger fan and have a thick, juicy burger every now and then. Of course, smash burgers can be juicy too. It's a myth that they're not. And that burger is gone. Usually I finish the burger or the food after we wrap up filming, but this time I finished that whole burger during the end here. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining us on this week's episode of Camp Griddlemore, and we will see you all on the next episode. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like a smash burger? Do you like a thicker burger? Do you like both? I kind of like to mix them up. We'll see you next week. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.